Hi there! I'm excited to share something that can really help you elevate your piano playing skills. I've put together a comprehensive Piano Scales ebook, and the best part, it's completely free. You'll find major and harmonic minor scales in all key signatures, each with the correct fingering to help you develop dexterity and hand synchronization. But that's not all. Understanding the theory behind these scales will give you a solid foundation for building melodies and harmonies. Practicing these scales regularly will improve your finger strength, coordination, and confidence at the keyboard. The ebook is available in PDF format, so you can access it on your phone, tablet, computer, or even print it out for offline study. Ready to take your piano skills to the next level? Click the link in the description below to download your free Piano Scales ebook now. And if you find this resource helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with new free materials, tutorials, and sheet music for piano, keyboard, and organ. Your support helps me continue creating valuable content for musicians like you. Happy practicing!